Hey, hon. I wanted to show you a device I found uh, at a local secondhand place. It costs very little. I've never seen anything like it. Okay, I'm going to boil water for tea, and this is done in the microwave. And this is a sensor that detects when the water is boiling and it whistles in the microwave. So let's put it in the microwave. I want to show you how this works. Okay. I put 1 cup of water in there for 1 cup of tea. And I'm going to set it for 3 minutes, but it will start. It won't take that long. And meanwhile, you can see that I love roses. Yep, I love roses. Happen to love this color. And here we have my teacup. And this is a a drawing that Ashton did of me when he was 7 years old. And that's Grandma. And here's my water cup. Boy, she surrounded herself with botanical pretties. This was given to me. It's very nice, isn't it? And so we don't hear the steaming yet, so I'll keep showing you around. I got a card from, maybe you remember hearing me speak about Lori and Martin Steed in Maryland. I got a wonderful card. Oh, I'm so happy to have their friendship. It always meant so much to me. And here's my little steeping teapot. It already has the bag in it. And this is the tea. I can't stand any other black tea except for Twinings, I guess is how you say it. And English breakfast is really good. And so we're still waiting for the boiling, the whistling. There it is. Isn't that fun? It's boiling and steaming and it whistled and I love it. Wanted to share.